Hey guys, I'm Max Curry, and today I plan to inform you on why I chose mechanical engineering as my college major and what I plan to do with this major once I graduate. So before we start on that, let's talk a little on why I chose mechanical engineering as my major. So the first reason that came to mind when I chose mechanical engineering is that the engineering field is in high demand for employees, so you will almost always be able to find a job if you are in a well-developed location. And actually, according to BLS.gov, employment of mechanical engineers is projected to grow 9% from 2016 to 2026. As fast as the average for all occupations, mechanical engineers can work in many industries and on many types of projects. So as a career pathway, that definitely sounds pretty promising. It says that you can work in many industries and on many types of projects, and it's growing as fast as all other occupations on average. So you're not going to have too much of a hard time finding a job, and there's a good bit of jobs open for mechanical engineers. Another reason I chose mechanical engineering as my pathway is because it focuses on math and science. I exceed in math and science classes, and they're like the two main categories for engineering. So if you choose mechanical engineering or any engineering in general, you should keep in mind that there is a lot of math and science involved, and definitely a lot of math involved. Also, according to Glassdoor.com, the average base pay for a mechanical engineer is about $75,158 per year. And financially, this seems to be a very promising career pathway. With $75,000 a year on average, you would be able to sustain a decent living for yourself or sustain a decent living for you and the family. So let's talk a little bit on what mechanical engineers do. Mechanical engineers have a very large field of jobs to choose from, with many differing options. According to the CompleteUniversityGuide.co.uk, engineers build societies, and mechanical engineers specifically apply fundamental maths and physics laws to create and build mechanical devices we use every day. So basically, what this is saying that engineers build devices that people use every day. And personally, I have heard of multiple people with engineering degrees who work to redesign items. In fact, one day I was talking to an engineer I met at the skate park, and he was telling me how he made a large sum of money just by redesigning how the Mars Candy Company packaged their candy bars while out for delivery. The company had candy bars that were breaking, and he designed a new system of packaging where they had much less problems with the candy bars while out for delivery. The Mars Candy Company paid this guy a lot of money, and all he really had to do was just redesign how they packaged their candy bars in the delivery truck while out for delivery. And after successfully redesigning how they packaged their candy bars, they had a lot less malfunctions with the candy bars and had a lot less room for error, or had a lot less errors in general, which helped this company a lot, and that made the company able to pay this guy a lot of money. And so that definitely seems like something that would be up my alley, and designing is definitely a big part of mechanical engineering and what I want to do with my mechanical engineering degree. So thank you all for listening. I hope I was able to teach you guys something about mechanical engineering, and I hope you guys learned something new.